Yeah, we got some work yet to do here. Found a broken spoke on the back wheel, so I had to tear it apart because it was on the gear side. There's the gears. The cassette you need to take off with the tool, which is over here. Park Tools makes these. I even bought one for the freewheel, to remove the freewheel on the hub motor, because you need a big hole. You need the big hole so it slides over the whole axle to remove the gear. So good tool to have, and they're cheap, like $8 or something. And yeah, gotta have that to replace the spoke on the gear side. But slowly but surely I'll get to other things. But I got the battery mount. This is the cradle for the 48 volt 12 amp hour battery. Slips right on there, locks in. But I use a strap on there also because I like that added extra safety. And yep, got the hose clamp. I used to have it here, but I moved it over here. I just piece of tube that I cut up to protect it. And yeah. So that's about it right now. Looking good.